Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both activities exist and are declared. This gives Android a route to your destination. Once created, add a clickable button in Main Activity Layout and import Kotlinks. Android, synthetic or view binding to access it. Next, build an explicit intent pointing to second activity. This tells the system exactly which screen to open. Make sure you use the activity class references, not strings, so refactoring remains safe. Now attach an on-click listener to the button to launch the intent. You now create the intent with intent, this second activity. Class, Java because explicit intents target a specific class. Once done, add data using putExtra for primitives or parcelable for complex objects. This preserves types and minimizes runtime errors. Then call start activity, intent to navigate, or use register for activity result for modern result handling instead of deprecated start activity for result. Make sure to import Android. Content, intent, and to use consistent keys. Consistent keys avoid mismatches when extracting values in the next step. You finish by extracting sent data in second activity using intent. Get extra methods. This is where matching keys and types matter. Mismatches produce nulls. If you need to return data, set result OK, return intent, then call finish. Once done, handle the result via your activity result callback. Make sure to declare second activity in the manifest and use the exact extra keys. If navigation fails, check logcat for exceptions, confirm class names, and verify you used the correct context when creating the intent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.